and welcome to this video about Perfective and Melee. Start with the introduction. Perfective and Melee is a global confectionery company which specializes in production of various candies, chewing gums and other sweet treats. It was founded in 1946 and Van Melee NY was founded in 1840. The merge of these two companies led to formation of fifth largest confectionery company called Perfective Van Melee. The company has grown to become the world's largest player in confectionery industry. All ages of customers love the product. Company gained such success due to commitment to quality, innovation, and customer-centric approach. It is owned by an Italian Perfetti family, and Samir Suneja is an Indian executive who is currently a global CEO of the company. Head office is in Schiphol, Netherlands. Its global spread is in about 150 countries. The company has pan-India presence with products available in all major cities and towns. Company has 4 manufacturing facilities located in Chennai, Uttaranchal, Gujarat, and Maharashtra. It has strong distribution network with 1 million retailers across countries. Alpenlibe was first brand product launched in India. Its international spread in the European continent has 40 countries, in Asian continent has 30 countries, in American continent has 20 countries, and few African countries. Now, product and services provided. The products are chewing gums, lollipops, hard candies, soft candies, and jellies. And few services provided are marketing and sales, distribution, research and development, and sustainability. Revenue of company in 2021 was $2.8 billion and in 2022 was $2.7 billion, which is a bit lower, but it is still higher than the company's pre-pandemic revenue, which was $2.6 billion in 2019. The company is targeting a revenue of $3 billion by 2025.
Vision strategy. Brand identification. Perfective and Melee is focused on building a strong brand, identified for its product and its unique qualities of each brand and with its portfolio, such as Fresh of Mentos or Fun Playful Chupa Chups. Product differentiation. The company may have positioned its product as a unique and distinct from the competitor. Example: Mentos often associated with chewy texture and fresh breath. Third, target audience. Likely to be defined as specific target demographics such as each brand has Mentos a target as youngest audience, while Chupa Chups might be as nostalgia for all the ages. Fourth, advertising and promotion. May have creative advertising and promotion. Is a reinforcement to position its brand. Example like Mentos has known for its humorous lightning advertising and promotion. May have creating an advertising and promotional. Advertising and promotion. May have creating an advertising and promotional as campaign to reinforce and the positioning of its brand. Example: Mentos has been known for its humorous and lightning heart advertising. दिमाग की बत्ती जला दे.
Now I will come covering current news. Perfective and Melee agree to acquire the gum business of Mondelez International in Europe and North America. Now I will be covering social media. In Instagram, they have 1800 followers. In Facebook, they have 42,000 followers. In LinkedIn, they have 450,000 followers. And YouTube, they have 468,000 subscribers. Now I am talking about 3 social media strategies they promote: engaging content creation, interactive campaigns and contests, influencer partnership. The company is a small size sugar rush carry revenue to record in this fiscal year 2023. The sale of candy, toffee and chewing gum wire in India broke record in the fiscal year 2020, almost 40 million units and growing the overall confectionery market 30% to 12,207 crore. Covering societal implication, environment sustainability, community engagement, employee well-being, product responsibility, ethical sourcing. Now we are ending with the conclusion. Perfective and Melee is a leading global confectionery company with a strong track record of the success. The company has a strong portfolio of brand, a global reaching and commitment to the innovation and sustainability.
दिमाग की बत्ती जला दे.
चुपा चुप
हैप्पी डेंट लाइट का नया स्विच. धन्यवाद.